So hi guys, good morning. So welcome to next tutorial on Android. So now we will see here. So the next same whatever the previous previous tutorial we discussed now. So with one button and one text view. So there we handle normally, but here I want to handle the same with the data binding. So how to handle with this data binding we will see here now. See for this, if you want a data binding, first we need to handle here data binding in a build.gradle. So I'm opening the build.gradle. So in a build.gradle, here we need to update the data binding. So I'm enabling the data binding here. So data binding enabled equal to true. So but whatever the modifications, if you done in a Gradle file, must you need to sync the project because that data binding related files to download into your application. So once this is done properly, so what happened here? Not find data binding. Then here it is a spelling mistake. So data binding. Yeah, now it will come. So data binding. So once this is done here, now we need to go and in XML, we need to add the layout. So that is done almost. So now we will go here and we'll apply as a root element as layout. So this is must whenever we are enabling the data binding, this should be the must. Here we will add this. Then in this, so here first no need of this. So no need of these two. And even though no need of these two. Okay, so now we will enable the data binding here. So that is where binding. So where binding colon. So data binding will generate always on a XML name. So that is activity main binding. Here also we need to handle the nullify condition. So nullify condition handle. Here we need to change something. So that is a binding equal to. So data binding util dot. So data binding data binding util dot set content view. Here we need to handle the extra as the context. So this we need to import. We will import this. Then here simply without writing this. So these two are avoid. This is avoid. Here what we will write here. So we will write here binding dot. So bt1 dot. That's it. So here we need to add like this. Then same here also. What we will write here binding dot. So then tv1 dot text. That's it. See, we will run this. We will see this is working or not. Just let run this. We will see the output. Yeah. So now see, it is working. So like this, we will enable with the data binding. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.